This call is now being
Hello,
recorded.
children. I hope you.
So far we have discussed about that opposite words. Today we are going to learn about the remain opposite words which are in blue color. We have to list out that. Yeah, you can see here the same words we have in a table. Yes, for example, the first word is loud, a second one go out, and third one come, and next everywhere, down, lost, nowhere, crying, happy. So you can also write the opposite words in that box which is given in the textbook. Here we have a table on screen, but in your textbook you have just fill in the blanks. There is a gap for every blank. So you can write in that. What is the opposite of love? Can anyone say?
Hate.
Very good. Love opposite is hate. So we can write hate. After completing all discussion, just we can write. Go out. Go opposite.
Come in.
Come
Come
in. Yes.
in.
Yeah. Go
Come
opposite.
in.
Out opposite in. So come in. Go out. Come in. Come opposite.
Go. Go.
Go.
Go.
Come opposite. Go.
Go.
Next. Everywhere.
Anywhere.
Everywhere.
Anywhere. Anywhere. Anywhere.
Nowhere. Nowhere.
Anywhere.
Nowhere. Down.
Up.
Up.
Up. Up.
Lost.
Down. Sir, we should write.
See, I am clearly audible here. The Kishore sir voice here. So who are sitting near him, just move from there. Otherwise, simply you can mute your audio. Follow my instruction, okay? If you are sitting any other subject class, students or anyone, just move from there. Okay. Anyway, just I can present. You can write down.
Yes, it was. Rita was very happy. So Mikashiro jumped onto her. Okay.
Sir, this one write textbook.
Yeah, you have to write in textbook. The opposite words you have to write down. Love opposite. Hate. Mute your audio while writing. Need not to speak. While writing, need not to speak. Love opposite. Hate. Go out. Come in. Come. Go. Everywhere. Nowhere. Down. Up. Lost. Found. Nowhere. Everywhere. Crying. Laughing. Happy. Sad. For happy, we can write unhappy also.
Sir, I got mistake. You see my textbook. I show video.
Okay, you can show later. Why? What is the mistake you have written? What is the mistake you have written, Akshara?
See, sir, my textbook come like this.
Okay, I can show. I can see later. I cannot see now. Just wait. After writing everyone, I can see.
To us also like that only.
See, in your textbook, you have not like table. Okay, you don't have as it is like table. That's why first of all I said you there are blanks in your table. Okay, there is only a shape of cloud. In that there are blanks. Total
Okay, sir.
Don't think that as it is same should be there in textbook and on screen. Just you can follow that. In the starting only I
Sir,
clearly.
sir, write now only.
Yeah, you should write now only. Every one of you, while writing, you should pronounce the words. Just mute your audio and you can pronounce. Love, opposite, hate.
Sir, one extra line is there.
Yeah, because there are only 9 words. One line is extra.
Nine words are there.
Yeah, 9 words are there, but one is extra line. And there is another name for opposite words, antonyms. Antonyms are the words which can give the opposite meaning. So mostly we can use this kind of symbol, opposite words in 2 mark. Have you written all these opposite words?
Yes, sir, we have written.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we have written. Yes, sir, we have written. Yes, sir, we have.
Nandakishore, just read once the words and opposite words.
Sir, words and opposite words.
Just read words and opposite words.
Love,
Now.
hated. Go out, come in. Come, go. Everywhere, nowhere. Down, up. Nowhere. Last, found. Nowhere, everywhere. Crying, laughing. Happy, sad.
Okay. Every one of you written these words?
Yes,
If
sir, we
anybody-
have written.
Yes, sir, we have written.
Okay. Can we go to next?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah. Next we have a passage here. Passage means a small passage. We have to correct that by writing capital letters.
So that
So you can see here, rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. It means in the passage, sometimes we have to use the capital letters. Starting should be capital, and after the full stop, we should write capital letter. There are few rules while we are writing in English. The sentence should start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. And the proper noun should be start with a capital letter only. So there are the few rules in English. We have to follow those while writing a passage or a story. So they gave here one Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani. Rani is a name, so it should be start with capital letter. And one Saturday, one should be start with a capital letter. One, one, the first letter, only first letter. O should be capital. Went for a picnic to India Gate. India is a proper noun. So I should be capital. And after the full stop, any sentence after the full stop, the first letter should be capital. Okay. You can see here T, small letter. Here R, small letter. and India, I small letter. So these kind of words or letters we have to write capture. And friend Raj, last one. There they saw ducks water and their friend Raj. Or Raj is a proper noun, so or also capital letter. So anyway, I can present it. Just you can write wherever the capital letters needed. There you have to copy. Yeah, don't speak out. Just I can present you. Don't worry. Okay. So wherever required, I can keep a arrow mark. There you can write capital letters. One is the first one O. O should be capital letter. Saturday, yes should be capital. Only letters we have to change. Remain as it is, you can write. And Amarjit, proper noun. A should be capital. Rani, R should be capital. Only letters we have to focus. Mute your audio, I said. India, I should be capital. And after the full stop T, T should be capital here. Tesa ducks, water, and their friend Raj. Raj, last finally Raj, R-A-J. So R should be capital. R-A-J. Yeah. So remain as it is, you can write down in your textbook. You can start now. Wherever I kept arrow mark, it means the first letter you have to change. Did you understand here where you have to change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Okay, just write down.
Yes, sir.
But sir, there is no, it is not looking total.
Prolika, always
Yes,
you come
sir.
only. Just I am saying, I am not saying any different passage. Same passage which is in the textbook. Just you have to change the letters. Okay? Need not to see everything on my screen. You can see in your textbook. Actually, it's a homework for you, but some of you may not find out where is the capital
Sir,
letter.
this one not come full. This one come only half.
It's your network problem. Until and unless don't shout in the class first. Okay. Any one of you just clear me. Shwetaja, is it visible clearly? Complete screen.
Yes, sir, it is. Total is coming.
So Karthik,
Yes, sir, it's clear. Totally coming.
yeah. You can just follow my screen and follow your textbook. While writing, you can follow your textbook. Wherever require the capital letters, you can write down. Second one, you have to say me now. Where should be capital letter? Where should we have to add? You have to say.
Don't say sir.
Sir, don't say, sir.
Don't show.
Sir, don't show.
You tell.
You tell that one.
This coming off.
This coming half only.
So it's your network problem. I can't do, but I can read here. Just you can find out capital letters.
Sir, please, I not coming till now, sir.
I'm already saying wait.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, we should write India Gate G also capital.
Yeah. You can write GR capital. India Gates.
Okay, sir.
because gate also noun. Okay, anyway, just I'm saying where you should add capital letters. One is one Saturday. In that only one, the first letter O should be capital. And Saturday, S should be capital. And Amarjit, A should be capital. And next, and his little sister Rani. Rani, girl name, R should be capital. Capital means capital letter. Everyone of you know that small letters and capital letters. So wherever required capital letters, I am saying you. Went for a picnic to India Gate. India Gate, I should be capital. In India, Gate, G should be capital. After India Gate, there is a full stop. So after that, there, T should be capital. Yeah. And finally, last.
Sir, tell slowly. Second one.
Akshar, I can send the screen
Second line.
in the Google Classroom. You can write there. I can send in the Google Classroom. You can write there. Because this is a class for everyone. Don't interrupt the class first. I can send in you can write from there. Just mute your audio. If anyone of you not getting screen any network issues from your side, I can send in the Google Classroom. You can download there and you can write from there. Just mute your audio.
Sir went for a picnic to India Gate.
Yes, India Gate. After that, full stop.
Yes, India Gate.
It's a network problem from your side. Clearly, I'm saying, please don't disturb the class. Okay, everyone of you written this, the first passage.
Yes, sir. We have written.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. We have written.
Our friend Raj also we should keep full stop.
Yeah, when Raj after. Actually, there is no space. That's why I did not keep below. A sentence should be start with capital letter and end with a full stop. Very good. Any sentence, it should start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So now, everyone of you just focus on the second one, where the capital letters are needed.
Sir, ducks, water, and their after what?
What? After ducks, water and their friend Raj. Akshara, why you are interrupting here? Do you have textbook with you?
Yes, sir. We have.
It is same in the textbook only. Textbook lo ela undo ikkada nenu kuda ade cheptunna.
Okay, sir.
You are focusing on my screen only. Just focus in your textbook. Okay. So we can go to next passage, next paragraph.
Yes, sir. We can go. Yes, sir. We can go. Yes, sir.
So it will start with a capital R. Okay. Similarly, second part. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old. Oh dear, said the fir tree. So हमने पढ़ा था punctuation marks में कि कोई कुछ बोलता है, if somebody says something, old, middle. So in this question,
Just wait, every one of you. Yeah. So just we have to focus on the second one. Here, oh dear. Oh dear means just we are saying about our friend or anybody else. So OH in that starting letter should be capital. Just you have to focus on the letters which are capital. Don't focus on every sentence, because as it is you can copy from the textbook. Oh dear. After that there should be a exclamation mark. Start with the quotation marks and there should be exclamation mark. See, these two here and these two here, those are called quotation marks, and one exclamation mark. Okay. Oh dear. Set the fir tree. After that, full stop. We have to give full stop. And I should be capital. Already I capital they gave. Anyway, I should be capital. I like my old needle like leaves. Best for goats. Don't eat them and no man can steal them. Mostly we don't have any capital letters in this. Only starting we have a correction. Only 3 corrections here. One is quotation marks, which are in up or here, and one exclamation mark, one full stop, and ending one full stop. I forgot. Ending one full stop.
Sir, we have only one line.
Yeah, you have only one line.
Yes, sir.
There is tree, no?
Yeah.
No, there is full stop, no, that beside there is I.
Yeah, tree after full stop. After that, there is I. You have to keep the full stop. That's why I kept like that. One, you should focus on the quotation marks and exclamation mark, and here full stop, last full stop. That's it. Only 4 corrections are here. Code here. Say the fir tree. Full stop. I like my old needle like leaves. Best for goats. Don't eat them and no man can steal them. Have you written the second one?
Yes, sir, I have written. So wait for 1 minute.
Sir, I have written.
Have you written all?
Yes, sir, we have written.
Yes, sir, we have written.
Everyone of you.
we have written.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Now we can go to the next. Everyone of you open the page number 30. Open the page number 30.
You open, sir.
But I can also present my screen. Yeah. So here in page number 30, you can see here whatever the picture, what are the things in the picture you have to find out and you have to write in the lines. There are 4 lines. In that you have to write. You can see that in the magazines also you can get this kind of things. Find out the pictures and find out the things in the picture. This kind of questions you may get in the magazines, Sunday magazines. Have you seen in that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just we have to look at the picture and we have to find out the things whatever in the picture. Yeah, I think it's visible to you. Look at the picture below. In the yellow box, there are 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. Only 6 we can see. You cannot see other 2. Write down the 4 things that you can see in the picture. So what we can see in the picture? Can we see? I will ask question. Just you can respond to me. What we can see? Just I will ask that. Can we see ducks in the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can.
Yes, sir. We can see.
Don't
Yes.
add more. Just you can say yes. Can we see mat in the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Butterfly and flower.
Shut up. Shut your mouth first. I'm going one by one. Just you can answer to me. Future audio. Okay. Can we see dog in the picture?
No.
So there is
No.
everyone of you keep wrong mark to the dog.
No.
Just keep wrong.
No, sir.
Okay, can we see girl in the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Don't add more. Just you can say yes or no. Yeah. Can we see boy in the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can we see tree in the picture?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can we see flowers in the picture?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you see fountain in the picture?
No.
So what you can see, that any 4 you can write in the blanks. Any 4. Mute your audio. No need to answer now. Just mute your audio.
Okay, sir.
So you can write any 4 here in the 4 lines. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. What you can see, just you can write any 4 here. Now itself. You can see ball, bird, bananas also there. And
Sir, I
basket.
am seeing here butterfly and flower.
Whatever you are seeing, you can write it. Write in your textbook. Write any 4. Very good. Butterfly and flowers.
Sir, water.
Yeah, whatever you can see, just you can write. Very good.
Yes, sir, I have written. Yes, sir, no water.
Yes, sir. We have written.
Yes, sir, I have written.
Okay, after that, there is second one. Look at the picture again. Describe the picture. It means you have to explain about the picture. It's your homework. It's your homework. Don't write now. Look at the picture and describe it. Describing means explain about the picture. Whatever you are seeing in the picture, you have to explain as a paragraph. Write in a paragraph. Okay. I am seeing here there are 2 people, one girl and one boy. and they went to do picnic, whatever that. Just you can explain in your own way. Try to write 3 to 4 sentences only, not more. In that 3 lines, you have to write about the picture. Okay, it's a homework for you. If you have a pencil, just inside of that, just you can keep your like this homework HW. Anyway, I can send in the Google Classroom too. Just you can write down. It's better when you see. You can get a reminder. Did you understand what is the homework for today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We understand. I will understand.
You have to describe about the picture. Okay. Now, in page number 31, we have to do here a small activity. That activity means just a glass breaks easily. Sorry, glass breaks easily when it's dropped. Do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books, or your plastic water bottle can break easily? So what can break when you drop from your hand? We have to circle those. We have to circle those which can break when you drop from your hand. So according to me, I'm guessing some. You can also guess. Can spoon can spoon can break when you drop?
No.
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 So no.
No, sir.
Table.
No, sir.
No. Flower pot.
Yes, sir.
It can break.
It's good.
So you can circle it. Plastic water bottle cannot. Books cannot. So we have only two. I said you just mute your audio. Mute your audio. Yeah, finish all.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is right. Where?
No need to write, Nana. Why are you Why are you not following me? Can we write anything? Just we circled whatever can break when you drop from your hand. Just we have to circle which can break. If you see that, you can clearly understood that flower vase can break and a teacup. You have to circle those. Okay. And there is a one activity in page number 32. Just we can go to next. Yeah. Just I will ask you. You have to say which of the following actions would make others happy or unhappy. Everyone of you just open the page number 32. Did you open?
Yes, sir. We
Yes, sir.
open.
Open.
So don't write. Now we can tick. Now we can tick right mark. Which are the actions can be make others happy? First one, respecting elders. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just you can
Sir.
write in the first box. Don't write now. You can write later. Only just take right mark. Not saying thank you.
No.
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 So take right mark. Being polite. Polite means respecting.
Yes.
So you can take right mark. Playing with the friends.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. And not sharing.
No.
No.
Watching television all day.
No.
No.
Telling lies.
No.
Being greedy.
Yes.
Greedy means what? Greedy means I don't want to share anything. I want everything with me only. I
No.
want
No.
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 Getting, yes. Getting angry easily.
No.
No. And the final one, being honest.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
whatever you take right mark, you have to write in the first box. Remain you can write in the second box.
What, sir? Your voice is not clear.
Akshara, I clearly said you, it's your network problem. Where are you now? Where are you, Akshara?
In Kurla.
No, I clearly said there is a network problem from your side. Okay, so you should check your network and sit in the correct place. Anyway, just I'm repeating everyone. Whatever take right mark, you should write in the first box the actions that make people happy. And remain all you can write in the second box. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We understand.
Sir, in the first bit, sir, we should write. You kept two between two. Which is correct in that first one or second one?
First one. Which we corrected, we have to write in the first box. Okay, which we did not correct, that those we should write in second box. Actions that make people happy. So we corrected means we kept right mark. Those can make happy to the people, and remain cannot make people happy. Okay.
Sir, I tell again once.
Sir,
Tell again.
tell again once.
Could not.
I could not understand.
I said clearly to you. That's problem with you. It's a network problem. I can't do, but I am explaining here once again. Whichever we kept right mark, that you should write in the first box here. First box means actions that make people happy. Right mark should be right here. Whichever we did not kept mark, right mark or wrong mark, we did not keep. So those remaining sentences we should write in the second box. Okay, not sharing and not saying thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Nana, thank you all. Just if you have any problem, you can come to the campus, get written studies first, and join from the network.
Sir, it is also phone call.
Mute your audio.
Bye bye, sir.
Mute your audio, Nana. Just
Bye, sir.
yeah, thank you all. Complete the homeworks on time and submit in the
Bye,
Google class.
sir. Bye,
Sir, send homework in Google Classroom.
Need not
Sir, send
remember.
homework in Google Classroom.
It's my duty again.